Python plus Spark. Together it is called as what? PySpark. So we are going to use it on a language called PySpark. That's it. Now, guys, the other one. So, guys, what is data migration? First of all, okay, I'll just brush it up once before we move further. So, guys, when we have what is it? Data migration, we have it. So, data migration means what, guys? First of all, the data migration is nothing but it is a process. Everyone, data migration is nothing but it is a process where data migration is nothing but it is a process where, guys, it is a process where the on-premises data, guys, everyone, it is a process where on-premises data is moved to data migration is a process where on-premises data is moved to uh, cloud storage is moved to the cloud storage. Okay, what is that, guys? Data migration is nothing but it is a process where on-premises data is moved to the cloud storage. This is the word. Very simple, guys. So I will explain you in a very simplified language and in the simplified manner where my main motive is to, you people should understand why we are using all this. Guys, you're using a mobile phone. Now, guys, from the mobile phone, your mobile phone, you can consider it as what? A physical device, na? That means physical device means what? On premise. Am I right? Physical device means what? On premise. Physical device is on premise. Now you want to move the data from your mobile phone to what is it, guys? Now you want to move the data, everyone. Now you want to move the data from the on-premise, everyone. Now you want to move the data from the on-premise to what is that? Yes, guys, you want to move the data from the mobile phone storage to what is that? Google Drive, to the Google Drive. So now, guys, tell me, what is this Google Drive? Is it an on-premise system or it's a cloud system, guys? Everyone, it's an on-premise system or the cloud system? Please tell me, guys.
It's cloud.
Obviously, it's cloud. Now tell me, okay, now tell me, everyone. Uh, it's a cloud system. Now tell me, everyone. When you talk about the that is nothing but the on-premises system, what are the disadvantages? I'll tell you. You don't worry. You forgot your mobile at home. You forgot your mobile at home. You left for some other country. You left for some other country. Can you access the data in your mobile phone if you store the data in mobile memory? Tell me now. Yes, guys.
No.
No, you can't access it because that is restricted to a particular physical device. That's it. But you can't access it. If you store the contacts in a Google Drive, can you access after going to some other country without the physical device? Tell me carefully, guys. Think it carefully and tell me. Now, today you have stored some contacts. Okay, some contacts, some photos, pictures you have loaded into the Google Drive. Okay, through mobile phone only I've done it. Tomorrow, while leaving home, you forgot your mobile phone and you left for US. After going to US, what happened is you wanted to view your guys, you wanted to view your you wanted to see or view your pictures and contacts. Is it possible to see or access in US if you store the data in the Google Drive? But tell me, please, please, everyone. Yeah, say something, guys. Say yes or no, something. Doesn't matter. Yeah,
Yeah, yes, I think if we saved in Google Drive, we can see.
definitely. Definitely. That means if the data is stored in a Google Drive, you can access from any part of the world. Why? Because the Google Drive is the cloud storage. The Google Drive is what is it, guys? Cloud storage. Am I right? The Google Drive is what? Cloud storage. The second reason is that when you store the data in the Google Drive, who is responsible for the security of your data? Yes, guys. When you store the data in the Google Drive, who is responsible, okay, who is responsible, okay, who is responsible for storage of your data, guys? Security of your data? Ultimately Google, na. That means when you have what is it, data stored in the Google Drive, the security of your data is the responsibility of the Google only. The third point is that, if you store the data in your mobile phone, who is responsible for the security of your data? You yourself, because you are the owner of the device. Am I right? You are the owner of the device and you are responsible for the same. You are the owner of the device and you are responsible for the same. Am I right or not? So, in the same way, guys, in the same way, the third reason and the very important reason is that, guys, okay, that is called as what? Unlimited storage. Unlimited storage. If you talk about the storage in your mobile phone, guys, if you talk about the storage in your mobile phone, tell me now, when you have the data stored in your mobile phone, so there is a limit for storing or not? Of course, 32 GB, 62 GB, 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, that's it. There is no other mobile than 512 GB. You have it right now in the market, what I believe. Am I right? So, okay. So even if you add the SD card also, you can go up to what is that? Some 100, 200 GB more. That's it. Not more than that. Okay. So 512 GB can become 712 GB, something like that, but not beyond the same. Am I right or not, everyone? Please respond. Yes, guys. That means you will have a limitation. But here in the Google Drive, there is no limitation. There is no limitation for storing of the data. Up to whatever the extent you want, you can store the data, guys. Okay, that is the reason why it is called as what? Unlimited storage. So, guys, the Google Drive we use basically for the three major reasons. One for the security reason, second one for the unlimited storage, and the third one is what? Third one is what, guys? Third one is what, everyone? Yes, what is the third one, guys? Accessing reason. Access of data. What is it? Access of data. Access of data irrespective of the location of the physical device, irrespective of the physical, that is nothing but location of your physical device, you can access the data. So hence, these are the three major reasons, guys, why we use the cloud system. Now the whole business is moving out. The whole business is moving out, guys. The whole business is moving out from the, what is that, guys, from the what is that, the whole business is moving out from the on-premises system towards that cloud system. From the on-premises system to what is that, guys, cloud system. The whole world is moving off. Why? Because of these three major reasons. Because of three major reasons. Am I right, everyone? These are the three major reasons why the whole world is moving out. Getting my point? So now, guys, this is nothing but the what is that? We call it as a first reason, or this is something but the basic understanding about the. Can you see here? Cloud storage. Now the whole world is moving the data from the on-premises system to the cloud system. So whereas this process of moving the data from the on-premises system to the cloud system is called as a process of what, guys? Data migration. Everyone, it is called as what, guys? It is called as a data migration. It is called as a process of what? Data migration. So data migration is nothing but it is a process where we move the data from the on-premises system to the cloud environment. That's it. Now the next one you have it as what, everyone? Data integration process. Guys, what do you mean data integration process, guys? Everyone? Yeah, please, everyone, please tell me what is data integration. Any idea? No idea. Okay, I'll tell you. Don't worry on this. Okay, data integration. Guys, these are the very important pillars of the data engineering activity. If you don't know this, you can't do. So that's the reason why I'm explaining you the basics of this first of all. The data integration. So what is data integration, guys? Data integration is nothing but, guys, data integration is nothing but, okay, what is that? Accumulation of, okay, guys, accumulation of data. Okay, guys, accumulation of data, guys, accumulation of data, everyone, accumulation of data from various source to the various source, okay, accumulation of data from various source at a particular location, at a particular location. Now what is this again? Let's try to understand with an example, everyone. Let's try to understand this with a good example, guys. Everyone, we know the supermarkets nowadays. What happened? Your dmart is there, am I right? Guys, we have a dmart sells almost all everything which is needed for a human life, for the daily life, okay, which is needed for the human life and which is needed for the daily life. Almost all everything, guys, almost all everything it sells, am I right? dmart sells everything, guys. Almost all 80% of the things it sells, okay. Clothes it sales, and what is that you have it, all the groceries, etc., etc., it sells, okay. I think vegetables are not there, but rest of all the things are there, dmart, am I right? Now guys, what happens if you go to the dmart? The products are categorized based on the categories. That means, what is that you have it, guys, everyone? First category is what? Wearables, or that is nothing but clothing. Clothing will be there separately, okay. And what happened, the second one, what is it here? Groceries. Groceries will be there. And then you have what's it, guys? Groceries will be there, clothing is there. And then you have what's it, can you say it? Utensils. Utensils will be there, etc. Many more things are there. Now tell me, when you talk about the clothing, let us say that the clothing, actually, they bought, that means the clothes, whatever the ready-made clothes they're selling it, they, let us say, just for example sake, I'm telling you guys, let us say they bought it from Mumbai. That means the manufacturing unit is at Mumbai, but they're selling the DMart at which place here, guys? They're selling at the DMart at the Hyderabad. Am I right? At Hyderabad. They're selling the same at the DMart Hyderabad. They're selling the same at, what is it? DMart Hyderabad. And now what is it? You have, what is it? We have it, guys. They're selling the same at the DMart Hyderabad. They're selling the same at the DMart Hyderabad. Okay. Whereas they bought this clothes from what? Mumbai. They got it from what? Mumbai. Okay. So Mumbai, there is a seller is from Mumbai. In the same, that means the manufacturer is from Mumbai. Okay. And another clothes also they have bought it. This is from, what is that, guys? Gujarat. Gujarat. Okay. They bought it from the Gujarat. Okay. In the same way, they have one more seller, which they, okay, who is selling the clothes from Jammu and Kashmir. Can you hear? So the clothes are brought from different locations, different manufacturers, that is the Mumbai based manufacturer, the Gujarat based manufacturer, okay, Gujarat based manufacturer, and then you have Jammu and Kashmir based manufacturer. So why they have gathered these clothes, or why they have gathered this cloth from various sellers, or that is various manufacturers, or various manufacturers from various locations, and made it available in Hyderabad? For what purpose, guys? For facilitating the consumers. Am I right? For the facilitation of consumers only, guys, everyone. For the facilitation of the consumers, guys, everyone. For the facilitation of the consumers, okay. The For the facilitation of consumer, they bought everything under one roof. That is DMart Hyderabad. Consumers can get the clothes, okay, where it is imported or manufactured in Mumbai, Gujarat, and Jammu and Kashmir, under one roof. Am I right? So whereas it is called as a process of what? Integration. Integration. So why this integration is done? Because of the requirement of the consumers, to fulfill the requirement of the consumers. In the same way, guys, in the same way, guys, in the same way, you have, what is that, guys? In the same way, you have the following. What is that, guys? In the same way, if you replace this products, or with if you replace with clothes with what is the data, guys. If you replace the same with what is the data, that means data is gathered at different locations. What is it? Data is available at different location. You can say some data is available in Mumbai, and some data is available in Jammu and Kashmir, and some data is available in what is it, Tamil Nadu. Now the user is in Hyderabad. The user is in Hyderabad, guys. The user is in Hyderabad. He wants the data to be available in Hyderabad. Am I right? He wants the data to be made it available in Hyderabad. Am I right or not? So what we are doing, we are gathering the data from various locations and keeping under one head, and that head is being operated at the Hyderabad. Am I right? So we are operating at what's at Hyderabad. So hence, guys, hence this process of integration allows us to gather and store the data at a particular location. That is called as what? Integration of data. That means gathering of the data from various locations and keeping at a place for facilitation of the user. User means what? You and me are called as the users. Okay, user of the data. That's it. So this is called as what? The process of what? Data integration. Everyone, I hope everyone is clear with the data integration. Yes, guys, please respond. Whether it is yes or no, it doesn't matter. Okay, I'm not bothered about that. I want everyone to understand when you attend the session. Please tell me, guys. Yeah, everyone is following ma? Please respond. Okay. Yeah, please respond.
Yes.
Okay, the next one, what's it about? Data summarization. Let's what is the data summarization. So, guys, data summarization is the actual gist of the whole process. This is the very important one we have it. So actually data summarization is nothing but the data summarization can be done with a process called what is it, guys? Extraction, guys, extraction, transformation, and loading. The next one you can also say it here as what, guys? Extraction, transformation, loading, and extraction, loading, then transformation. Extraction, loading, and then transformation. Extraction, loading, and then transformation, guys. Just a minute. Okay, you have what's it? Extraction, transformation, what's it? Loading. So extraction, transformation, and loading. So extraction, transformation, loading, or extraction, loading, or transformation. So can you see here both are the same thing? What's it, guys? You have it? Extraction, transformation, loading, and extraction, loading, and transformation. This is a new technique, guys. It is a new technique developed here. Okay, new technique developed here. It is a new technique developed. It is a new technique developed here. Okay, guys. Now the next one. What is this actually? Data summarization, how does it makes? Okay, what is the purpose of this? Let's try to understand with a simple example. I'll tell you, guys. Today you want to prepare a veg curry. You wanted to prepare a veg curry. Tell me now, everyone, to prepare the veg curry, what are the things do you need it? Everyone, please respond ma. Everyone, if you want to prepare a vegetable curry, what are the things you need it? Do you require vegetables? Yeah, please respond.
Yes.
Obviously we require vegetables. Yeah, so we require vegetables. Yeah, so okay, we require what's it? Vegetables. So now, guys, we require what's it? Vegetable. We require what's it? Vegetables. So you go to the vegetables. So now what happened is you have been to a supermarket, and now you have been to a supermarket called what? Reliance Smart, where everything will be there. Vegetables will be there, Okay, and rest of the groceries, everything will be there. So you have been. Now, after going to the, can you see here, Reliance Smart, you have been to the, that is the vegetable sections, where you can find around 50 different type of vegetables. That is nothing but vegetable number one, which is actually got cultivated and cropped in Jammu and Kashmir, and the second vegetable which is cropped and cultivated in what is that, there's Tamil Nadu. Okay, then again you have one more, what is it, you have it, vegetable cultivated and cropped in Kerala, and one more vegetable which is cultivated and cropped in AP, Andhra Pradesh, India, and one more vegetable is there which is cropped and cultivated in what's it, TG, that is Telangana, etc, etc. So let us say you have altogether 100 vegetables are there. Likewise, in the series, you have 100 vegetables are there in the Reliance Smart. And as you wanted to prepare the veg curry, now my question to you is that directly, guys, my question to you is that are you going to buy all those 100 vegetables which are available at the Reliance Smart, or only those vegetables which is required to prepare your veg curry? Please tell me. If you're not following the thing, please let me know. I'll repeat it once again for you. I want everyone to concentrate and everyone to understand. Okay. So please respond, guys. My question is that here you this is the supermarket, you have it. Here is a supermarket, and the Reliance Smart is a supermarket, and you wanted to prepare a veg curry. For preparing the veg curry, you have been to the supermarket called what's it? Reliance Smart. And now, guys, Reliance is Smart. And now tell me, you have 100 type of vegetables are there, which are imported from various locations. Now, my question is that are you going to buy all the vegetables, or only those vegetables which is required to prepare your veg curry? Please tell me now, guys.
Only required vegetables.
Only those vegetables which is required for preparing your veg curry. Now, let us say I bought only, as per your this thing, we have shortlisted the vegetable number one, which is from the Tamil Nadu, and vegetable number 4, which is from AP, and vegetable number 5, which is from Kerala. Got it. Now tell me, out of all the vegetables, I have gathered how many vegetables, guys? 3. So can you say this process as, guys, can you say this process as what? Selection of vegetables. We can say it as what, guys? We can say what is selection of vegetables. We can say what's that? Selection of vegetables. We can say it as what? Guys, we can say it as what? Selection of vegetables. We can say it as what? Selection of vegetables. We can say this one as the selection of vegetables. Okay, guys, sorry. Now, guys, okay, so now you got it. Now again, what's it, you have it? Selection of vegetables. So we have selected what's it? 2, 4, and 5. So we can say what, guys? Selection of vegetables. Now the vegetables are selected. What is the next process? You have paid the bill, you bought them home, but as soon as you get them home, will you start eating the vegetables, guys? No, no. As a human, we don't eat the raw vegetables. Am I right? As a human, we don't eat the raw vegetables. So, guys, first of all, what we do, we use the cleaning of vegetables, guys. Uh, Cutting of vegetables. Then we'll start the cooking of vegetables. So we have what said? Cleaning, cutting, and cooking of the vegetables. Cleaning, cutting, and cooking of the vegetables, guys. Cleaning, cutting, and cooking of the vegetables. Okay, guys. Cleaning, cutting, and the cooking of the vegetables. So this process, what we are doing, this process is nothing but to change the form of the vegetables from the raw form to cooked form. Raw form to the cooked form, guys. We are taking forward the process called cleaning, cutting, and cooking. Can we say it as what? The process of what? Transformation, guys? In fact, so transformation is nothing but it is a process where we convert the, guys, it is a process where we convert the raw vegetables to the cooked vegetable format. That is called as transformation. And finally, what is it you have it, guys? Everyone. So finally, what is it you have it, guys? The first one is finally everything is done. Then you'll do what? Eating of the vegetables. Okay, eating of the vegetables. We can go with what? Eating of the vegetables. So now, guys, if the same process you convert it to the ETL, guys, The same thing happens here na guys, everyone. The same thing happens here with the data also. What's that? The first one we call it as what, guys, everyone? The first one we call it as what, guys, everyone? The first one we call it as what? Extraction, where you select the data, what exactly the data is needed here. And transformation is means what? The same transformation, that is anymore changing the form of the data by making some calculations, additions, deletions, etc. And loading means what? Finally putting the data into the target system. Loading is nothing but putting the data into the target system. The data will be loaded into the target. So this is nothing but, it is called as a process of what? Data summarization. That's it. Now the next one, final layer of the data, final layer of the task. What is it you have it? The Azure, that is nothing but the final layer of the data is what? Data visualization. What is it you have it? Data visualization. So data visualization is the final layer where, guys, data visualization is the final layer of the process where the data is analyzed. Where can you see here? The data is analyzed with the following process. What is that? The data visualization is nothing but, basically it provides two type of categories in data visualization. First one is what? Yes, guys. What is it? First one is called as what? Data. Uh, data. What's it? Analysis. And the second one is called as what, guys? Data analysis. And what's it? Data analysis. And what's it? Data science. These are the two different visualization process you have it. Data analysis is nothing but you compare A with the B. You compare A with the B. Guys, A with the B, you compare it. You compare A with the B, and you can say which one is the best, whether the A or the B is best. That is called as, and what is the difference you have between the A and B? You'll tell me. Suppose, can you see here? Here you have a sale is 50,000, comma 60,000. 2 day sales is there. Okay. So tell me now, which day sales is first day sales is more, or the second day sales is more? Second day sales is more. So this you can rule out the difference just by looking into the figures here. Okay. So first day minus the second day, or second day minus the first day, whatever you do it, you will get the difference here. Am I right? So whereas to rule out the difference, we go with what? Data analysis. But data science is that where you have a, where you require the advanced techniques to analyze the future data. What is that? Now today's and yesterday's sales is 50,000. If I want the tomorrow's sales, tomorrow is the future for us or present day, guys? Tomorrow is the future for us now. Tomorrow is future for us. So if you want to know the future, at that is approximate calculations, you can do it here. So I can give the approximate calculation, something 76,000 like this, based on the past performance, based on the based on the past performance, based on the past performance, guys. So here you can say, guys, these are the two techniques we have. That is data, that is nothing but science, and the data analysis. And this is included in the, what is it, guys? Data visualization. So all this, guys, all this we can perform it by using the Google data engineering. By using, what is it, guys? Google data engineering. And the Google data engineering includes what, guys, everyone? It includes the whole process. Now as a part of our course, we are going to see the GCP, that is called as what? Google Cloud Platform. Okay. That is nothing but Google Cloud Platform, whatever we are going to use it. This is completely, guys, sorry. This is completely a GUI, guys. Sorry, this is completely a GUI. That is graphical user interface, GUI, where you don't require any language support, everything. We can do it. Okay, everything drag and drop job will be there. If you go with the Google Databricks, here you will have all the coding here. Here you will have all the coding, where this is, you will have the CUI, character user interface, where you have to use the PySpark as the language to make it forward the process, guys. That's it. Okay. So that's it, guys. As a part of this course, the duration, everything, I think the people has updated you. It is basically, that is almost all 45 days to 6, that is 60 days it will be. And when it comes to my experience and all, I have around, total of 10 plus years of experience in IT. and as well as when it comes to this the cloud data engineering. Since the past 4.5 years I'm working on the cloud data engineering, guys. Okay, multi clouds, I'm working on the multi clouds. Okay, Google is one, and Azure is the another, and even the AWS. These are the three market leaders we have it. So on these three of them I'm working right now. And when why only GCP? Now the question comes, why GCP? When you have Azure is there, when you have Amazon is there, AWS. See, AWS and Azure is ruling the market since long, and the companies, they will expect the best consultants on that. The best consultant, that means they will see the perfectionist. Okay, a person who can deliver the best. Okay, the person who can deliver the best. Okay, guys, that they can do it. But the next one, what is the next one you have it, guys? The person who can deliver the best, they will choose it. The next one is, what is that you have it, guys? Yeah, we have GCP is starting up, it's picking up now. You don't have much hands in the market, so they're choosing it. You have a good opportunity and a beginning time to get into the GCP, guys. So that is the first and foremost reason for you. I can suggest you for joining and doing this. You will have a very fast chance of getting a job here on the GCP. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you have any questions, please do let me know. Okay, and if you want, okay, guys, I'm available on the following number also. If you want, you can just call me up. Okay, so this is my number.